In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to different brokers on GoCharting. We'll keep this simple, clear, and practical so you can follow along in your browser without any extra setup. Start by opening your browser and heading to GoCharting.com. This is a powerful web-based platform for multi-asset order flow charting and trading, so everything we do today happens right here without installing additional software. Give the page a moment to load fully to ensure all menus and tools are available. From the homepage, move to the top navigation bar and click on Products. This expands the main feature set of the platform. In that list, choose Charts. Selecting Charts launches the GoCharting terminal in a new view. You should now see a full-featured charting workspace with panels, toolbars, and a symbol search. Next, look to the right-hand side of the chart for a vertical toolbar. Find the icon that looks like a 3x3 grid of small squares. That's the Brokers panel. Click it to open the broker directory. This is where you manage connections so the platform can route market data and, when supported, trading actions through your chosen provider. In the Brokers panel, browse the list and select the broker you want to connect to. GoCharting supports a range of popular providers across different markets. When you click a broker, the platform prepares the connection and may present an authorization prompt. Simply follow the on-screen instructions provided by the broker. Keep your credentials secure and only interact with the official sign-in window that appears. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow them temporarily so the authorization can complete. Before you proceed, make sure the broker is set to GoCharting Sim browser. You'll typically see this label in the connection area or within the broker tile. Sim in the browser is the easiest and most reliable way to test your connection and explore the workflow without installing anything. It's great for getting comfortable with order routing and chart tools. If you're evaluating the platform, start here to confirm everything is working as expected. Once connected, you should see the broker's name reflected in the terminal, often in the connection status or accounts area. If data doesn't appear immediately, refresh the chart or search for a symbol that your broker supports. A stable internet connection helps keep the link responsive. And if you ever need to switch providers, return to the same broker's panel and select a different option. That's it. Open GoCharting, go to Products, choose Charts, click the 3x3 brokers icon, pick your broker, and confirm you're in GoCharting Sim browser. You're connected and ready to explore.